Strange noises going on around the world. Have a listen. What do you think it is? Interesting. Don't know this day and age, do you? But anyway, it's not the trumpets for the rapture, not yet anyway. But keep an ear out. Could be soon. Jesus is coming soon. God bless. Bye-bye.